Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can take screenshots in BeReal without the other person's knowing. So first let me go into my BeReal account and then I'll just simply go to Discovery, and now if I take screenshot of any of the BeReal by the traditional method like holding your volume and power button or simply swiping down the screen like that. By doing so, the person on the other end will be notified that you took a screenshot of their BeReal. So there are two ways to bypass this. First is that you can take a photo from a different phone or a camera and take a simple photo of his or her BeReal. In that way, they will not be notified that you just took a picture of their BeReal. Or what you can do is simply download an application called Screencast. Let me show you. Go to your Play Store and search for Screencast. And then after searching Screencast, just scroll down and click on this option called Screencast. And then just simply install it and press open. And now what you have to do is just simply click on the first option and then select Start Broadcast. And then it will give you a URL, and then just simply write it down on a computer or a laptop browser, or just click on Share Connection Details and share it through any application you may prefer. Side note, you have to make sure that your phone and the device that you want to cast should be connected on the same Wi-Fi or hotspot. So after you have done that, as you can see in my screen, now my phone has been casted in a Google web page. And now if I go to my BeReal account, and now what you can do is simply take a screenshot in your computer. And they won't know that you just now took a screenshot of their BeReal. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel. And take care.